Well, an embarrassing end to a pretty horrible attempt at a crime there.
Awful. That's pretty awful.
Not good.
Well, I'll tell you what, we really needed the rain, and some places actually got some really good amounts of rainfall this weekend, but most of us saw maybe a smattering of some showers and a lot of cloudy weather. Right now, we're still looking at the clouds out there, and for the most part, things are beginning to clear up, especially if you're looking out to the west. Towards the east, however, we still have those clouds, and we are looking at some rain showers still moving in the direction of the east. So that's what's going on at this point, but it's turning into a lovely end to the day, as you can see, and maybe it would be a perfect night to get out and do a sunset walk if you'd like, because we are looking at those skies clearing up, at least at the beaches. So the showers are moving towards the east. We do have a cold front that's going to be moving on in, and that's going to change up our forecast a little bit, bringing in some drier conditions for us. It's not going to feel as humid as it has been. But this is how we've done this weekend as far as the rainfall is concerned. And you can see where all of the rains really have taken place, from 2 to 3 inches of rainfall well east of I-75. Some places getting no rain at all, and some places just getting a smattering amount. As you can see, most of those showers were mostly heaviest east of I-75. And we do have a cold front that's going to be coming on through, and that cold front is going to bring some drier conditions. You can see this in the upper levels of the atmosphere. We're starting to see it already working its way into the panhandle of Florida, but in advance of that cold front, we do have the moisture still across central Florida, and that's where the rain showers are right now. Most of this rain has moved off towards the east, leaving us with just a sprinkle here and there, but for the most part it's just cloudy conditions at this point, and that's what we're going to continue to watch over the next couple of hours as these rains move on out of our area. So from now until about 10 o'clock tonight, we're looking at the showers moving on towards the east, and then we're going to be left with cloudy skies, and then we'll be seeing clearing conditions. After around midnight tonight, we should start to see the skies begin to clear up just a little bit. That cold front is just to the north of us right now, with that trough of low pressure across the central part of the state, and that's what brought us all of the moisture. And this cold front is going to be moving on down the state throughout the day on Monday. And as it does so, it's going to clear things out and dry things up for us. So we're going to start to feel a little bit more comfortable with the dew points going down and the humidity going down. And for tonight, we're looking at just a 20% chance of rain. And then for the most part, we're going to be seeing no rain as conditions begin to clear up for us. Winds right now coming in out of the north-northwest, anywhere from 5 to 10 miles per hour across the region. And our dew points are starting to really drop across the northern part of the state, and that's where the cold front has gone through. So we're seeing the drier conditions to our north. Across central and south Florida, however, we're still in the 60s and 70s for dew points, and they're going to start to drop once that cold front makes its way on through. Temperatures right now are mostly in the 70s and 80s, and if you're heading off to the beach tomorrow, those winds will be out of the north-northwest at around 10 to 15 knots. Over the next several days, we're going to see lots and lots of sunshine. Once that cold front makes its way through, we're looking at sky conditions that are going to be quite lovely all the way through Thursday. Temperatures are going to be in the mid to upper 80s, but don't let these temperatures fool you. Many places could see highs in the 90s this upcoming week. So we've got a stable week coming on up. A plume of moisture comes back into the forecast for Saturday and Sunday, and therefore we have another chance of rain for next weekend. Adam?